In the world of business, one of the most common pitfalls professionals encounter is failing to create a meeting environment that effectively engages the perspectives and ideas of all participants. The key to rectifying this oversight lies in understanding the intricacies of human wiring, specifically in recognizing the distinct traits that shape our communication. One such trait that merits our attention is what we refer to as the internal thinker. These individuals tend to be introspective and logical by nature. Now, when they find themselves in an unfamiliar group setting or discussing new topics, they typically remain reserved. So how can you ensure that someone wired as an internal thinker actively contributes to your meetings? Well, the solution is surprisingly straightforward. Create an agenda and send it out in plenty of time prior to the meeting. Since internal thinkers prefer to mull over ideas before sharing them, providing them with an agenda is an effective strategy. The agenda should outline the meeting's objectives and the topics to be discussed. So when an internal thinker has the chance to thoroughly consider the discussion topics in advance of the meeting, it significantly enhances their participation in the meeting. Now, by implementing this approach, you can tap into the full potential of all participants, accommodating their unique human wiring and encouraging them to actively engage in the meeting's discussion. If you're inspired to learn about maximizing your and your team's human wiring, join us for Wired to Win. How are you hardwired? More information on the link below. I'm Lisa Manini. Until next week, create a great life.